Hi, this is Derek from LiveWatch. Today we have this Stealth SKX013. Consider this is a part 2 of the CrystalTimes sponsor video. If you want to check out part 1, there will be a link in the video description. Now back to the workbench. This is all the parts we will use today. This is a CT706 SKX103 replacement case in black PVD coating. In the first step, we will prepare the case for wet water testing, and this will include install the crystal case back and crown. This is the CT103 top hat style crystal for the SKX013. Here I'm using my crystal press to install the crystal. Normally I'll press in different position to make sure it's really flat against the case. If you like this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notification when I upload a new video. Thank you very much. This is the CT210 crown for SKX013. As you can see, have a S sign on it. This is the water pressure tester. For this tester, it can test up to 50 meters of water resistance. Now I place the case above water, pump it up to 50 meters of water pressure, leave it there for 10 minutes. If there is a leak in the case, now the air have a chance to seep into the case and balance out the pressure. After 10 minutes, I will drop the watch underwater and release the pressure. If we can see a tiny steady stream of bubble coming out of the case, it means the case is not waterproof. This is the CT220 SKX013 chapter ring, also in black PVD. Here's a little tip. I often use the case back as a pushing tool to push the movement in. In this step, I will custom fit the stem to the watch. After pre-fitting to the watch, I will use a caliper to measure how much I need to take away. After the crown is fitted correctly, I will use Loctite 271 to glue the stem to the crown. Also use a little bit Mobius 9501 to lubricate the stem so the keyless work will work properly. The last step will be installing the bezel click spring, the bezel, and the bezel insert. This is the CT236 SKX013 coin edge black PVD bezel. This is the CT666 fully lume 2-time bezel insert. Hey, welcome back. As you can see, the watch has been finished and it's definitely a very nice looking watch. If you have a wrist size of 6.5 inch or under, this is definitely a watch I will recommend. Or the SKX013 will be a better choice if you have a bigger wrist size like me. If you found this video is entertaining and educational, please like the video and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This will help me a lot. There are more videos like this in my channel. Please take your time and watch them all. Thank you for your support. If you have a question or you want to order a watch just like this, please write me an email. It is contact@liv-watch.com. This has been Derek from Live Watch. I will see you next time. Bye.